Welcome back. Next we're going to take a look at the stitch interface. Click on the left side. Underneath broadcast there's the stitch. In here we can see the stitch interface. We see the very prominent seam lines, which are these purple lines right here. We can switch between the seam lines down here, or we can also click on it inside of this window and drag them around accordingly. Most of the time this is using a standard calibration, but if you're not sure if you're currently in a standard calibration, you can click down here and reset calibration to defaults. Next thing you could try is either manually moving the seams to the positions that you know doesn't have a lot of action in it, or you can also have automatically adjusted. You're going to click on Auto Tune Seam Location and hit Continue. And as you can see, they now got adjusted. You can do the same thing for convergence. And here we go. This looks pretty good already. But if you're not happy with the results, there's another option we can do. So we can go back and reset this to the defaults. And we can use the Calibrate Rig button down here. I'm going to hit this button for a second. Continue. And now the image is going to freeze. I'm still going to do some calculations. And it's going to give you a score down here of how well the score in the calibration went. So 95% is pretty good already. And this afterwards we can do the same thing and auto-tune the seams and the convergence. And we should be in pretty good shape already. We can go back and check our seam. As you can see here, I have some dropped frames. That is because of the calibration I did. Here you go. Here's my 360 rectangular. So like maybe a tiny issue up here on the roof, which we can adjust, but other than that, it looks pretty good.